Hello everyone and welcome back. Hey guys! Hadley's here too. We are making a super moist... We're making a cake basically. We have this, I don't know how old this frosting is, but I found it in the cupboards. So that's what we're doing. But before, we have to clean the kitchen.
Yay!
By watching this video, we realized that my mom came down and none of us knew.
I
that she
didn't
came
know.
down. And at this next part, she went right next to me, and I did not remember any of that.
I thought, I didn't think that she was there. I must.
Yes,
I know.
She's a mystery girl.
So you guys know, we decided to wash some dishes in the bathtub because there was not enough room in the sink to do all
the
this.
sponge. Don't get it on me. No, God. What was it? It might have been the rice. Oh no, not the rice. Okay, guys.
All right, guys, we're here.
We're draining the bathtub because there's rice in it now. Oh no.
Yeah. There's
Rice exploding. Okay.
We were washing the dishes.
Ow. Yes.
We had some minors.
I don't know what's going on.
We have finished. It's finally
Time for the
to make
cake.
the
I have an announcement.
We just got this little caterpillar
And his
dude.
name is Bob. Hi,
Can I pat him? Can I pat him?
I'm gonna pat him.
Oh boy.
I get to pat him.
Guys, be gentle with Bob.
Why are there onion shavings on the ground?
Hi, Bob.
All
I
right.
don't know if this is your Bob.
Mixer. So what we are doing? Where did the cake mix go?
In the thing.
Basically, we're making a vanilla cake with chocolate frosting. If we have enough.
A single egg.
All right. Wait. Where's the recipe? We need 3 eggs. So who else is good at cracking eggs? Ethan.
Me.
Ethan will crack it. Last time you got shells in, miss. Ethan,
good at
crack the last egg.
You're not.
And how do you know what you can do? You can throw
We
that.
know we're not doing it at all. Lean on your. Okay. Just lean on it. What are you even looking? Oh, it doesn't matter what pan
You need to know when to-
Just
All right.
ignore the fact that my hair is a mess.
350 it is.
Okay.
What? In the sink.
We're making 350 cows.
Here. All right. What the heck?
Wait, we need the oil, right?
And water.
We need the vegetable oil.
And I found this 2 minutes.
No, those aren't good enough.
Hold me.
Wait, isn't there like a regular circle? Hold on.
Bad dog.
What?
Bad.
So basically, Ivy just ate one of our plastic container things. Oh my god, this house is chaotic. 1/2 cup. Oh, that's not a lot. Okay, that's good. Someone dump this in.
I will.
That's a piece of what? No. Everyone just left me to interrogate Asher because of his dog. But good thing we're almost done with the cake mix. Okay.
We need the water.
They came back.
What came back?
Ew, wait. Oh, it's just the oil guts.
Oil guts?
Okay, that's all of our ingredients.
Why did you say oil guts?
Why am I so short?
Because you're small.
I'm average and everyone's tall.
Oh! It is looking amazing. Time to go in the oven. And she's done. Wow. If you drop our masterpiece.
I can't do it with one hand.
There's another one behind the air fryer.
Why is it behind the air fryer?
Oh God. I was thinking about this and then we completely forgot to spray the pan. Trying to fix our mistakes 101.
Forget to spray the pan.
I forget to spray the pan. I don't know. Hey. You didn't remind us now, did you? So
What is happening?
ready, set, come on. Yeah, help. I can't put my oven. It came out!
It's alright.
Maybe we should have waited until it was dry. Oh, let's just eat this. This looks actually
Wait, no.
We got it out, and we're deciding to keep it like this for now because we try to flip it over and it just rips. It's okay, we're gonna put frosting on it. You can tell it has some obvious problems. But hopefully our handy dandy cup of frosting will help us put this back together. We already sliced a little bit off, and that's the beauteous piece. But the frosting was very difficult to do it with, but we got the top looking nice and pretty. It's also melting, and we're serving it up. Out of 10.
A million.
What do you rate it?
I haven't really had any yet. Come back to me in a minute.
What do you rate it? Wow, it's gone. 10 out of 10. What do you rate it, Hads?
Well,
10, Anya?
A million.
A million. So it's not about on the outside. The inside tastes good.
Alrighty, I give it a wazillion.
A wazillion. Perfect. She changed her mind. What?
It's not a number, but 300 times a million.
372. Okay. Cool. Anyways, that is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Everyone say bye.
Bye.